Hey guys, it's me here. Exactly, I'm going to be playing some Minecraft. You can see I already started this world. Well, really, I actually made this world when I actually started recording on my iPad, but apparently I ran out of time and it got deleted for some reason. I don't know. So I'm just gonna do my Let's Play like this. And as you can see, I have the worst house in the world. Yeah. So, the screen may be a little hard, but let me turn down the game a little quick. You go grab it. I'll turn it down to 50. So if you can see it better. Yeah. I am just camping out here. Oh, washing my business. And, I don't know. We're just doing random stuff. Oh, I found out I am live broadcasting, so this may be a quick video. I will do longer videos. Whoa, 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 whoa. If I have my baby sister here. Gee. That's another time. So I'm really just hanging out. Here's how I know. No, I can't get this stuff right. I reserve place. I want to put stuff in this chest, like got some stuff. This and that. That and this. This and that. That. You know, right. Watch how long I've been recording. Check real quick. You'll be seeing me move for a little bit. 3 minutes in. So hopefully it gets sunrise side. And moving on the sun. It's dark. Yep. Hold on. Oh, I just unlocked a game picture. And an achievement. Yeah, so I am just walking around. So these are the goals if you want me to like where to build a house and all that. I don't want to build, but now I'm just gonna go see. If I missed anything, I know this is a lot, but she pointed out. I don't care. Yeah. So, okay, so here I go. Let's get skedaddle. Skedaddle. And you gotta be kidding me. And I am gonna be making an intro. I'm gonna be making an intro. a cool intro, not the best, but it does the job well. You know, some people don't have intros well. But I will have fun. Eh? What? I can't click anything. Eh? Must be the end of the world. Whoa! You know what? Why can't I just stay at the end of the world? It's easier. I could. Why can't I sit at the end of the world? Yeah. Well, this video may be quick because I only have like 2 minutes left. There we go. Maybe. Fine, you could do this, world. World, come on. Come on. Don't steer that way. No, Bo! Come back! Come on. Good. You have to be kidding me. You know what? I'm just gonna live in the forest. Boats don't like me, so might as well just live in the forest. You know, living in your good old forest. We're seeing this. This thing is floating. It actually has adapted to the environment. To jump. Great, your ducks now. For ducks. Yeah, for ducks. Quack. Quack, 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 quack. So, you know, guys, I will see you later. There'll probably be like a 30-minute episode next time, but this episode may be little. Sorry if you can't see well. I'm gonna fix that. I'm using my computer to record right now. Sorry about that. No! Don't you dare! Don't you dare! Don't! Die! I need them. Oh! So I will see you guys next time. And really, comments below. Leave a big fat thumbs up. And hopefully I can get this green thing fixed up. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye. Quack.